If your team is aiming to do just enough estimation to map out the overall effort they will be requiring in project to get work started, they can use one of the high-level estimating approach, which is T-shaped sizing estimation technique. However, there are multiple estimation techniques we do use for estimating our additional project or adaptive. One of the high-level estimation technique that is T-shirt sizing we are discussing in this video. All right. So if your team are aiming to do just enough estimation to map out the overall effort will be required to get the work started, they can use high level estimation technique, that is t-shirt sizing estimation technique, right? And this is the initial estimate of the product feature and user stories, and that is done in early stage of the adaptive project. Let's see one example here. There is one project in adaptive project. In adaptive environment, there is one project you have assigned to do. The project name you can see here. The project name you can see here. Online movie service project. So your project is to develop a online movie service. Your all team gather together and now they want to have some initial estimate for this online movie service project. So they have decided to use high level estimating approach, which is t-shirt sizing, and they have come up with 6 features. They are going to develop 6 features to complete online movie service project. You can see here feature number 1, rate movies, feature number 2, browse movies, third, rent movies, 4, sale movies, review movies, and short movies by year. They have come up with 6 features here as listed. Now, to see how this works, let's look at the picture here. You can see here short movies by year. It is under the category of ES. This is representing extra small. It means the functionality that allows user to short movies by year will require the least effort to build. So this feature is in category of extra small. You can see the second feature here, rate movies. It is under category for small size, meaning it is require a small efforts compared to extra small. This is larger user stories, larger features. Here you can see 2 features under category of medium, meaning these 2 features are of medium size. Here you can see rent movies, which is under category of large size, meaning renting movies feature is large size features. And here also you can see extra large, same movies features is extra large features. And there is no any features are under category where we can keep extra large. Okay, so none of these features will require an extra efforts. Now, the 6 product features decompose into user story. Further, once it is categorized in the t-shirt sizing unit, further we will decompose this all user features into user stories, which will represent all the work that to be done to build the product of the project. So remember, the purpose of using t-shirt size estimate is to come up with the initial plan and not the detailed plan, right? And that initial plan will be continually refined during release and iteration planning throughout the process. So remember, t-shirt sizing estimation technique is a high-level estimation approach that team use to get initial estimate a start project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected, and if you like this video, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe this channel.